Hello teacher! So ngayon naman sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin yung paggawa ng learning activity sheets or LAS na tinatawag. So ano ba yung mga bahagi na bumubuo dito at may bibigay ako sa inyo ipapakita na sample ng ating learning activity sheets for second quarter. Ito ay based sa ating most essential learning competency. So muli kasama ninyo si Teacher Bean. So, bago natin simulan tong video na ito, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, click subscribe at click mo na rin yung notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga latest video. So, kung gusto mo rin magkaroon ng copy ng ating learning activity sheets, pwede ka na rin mag-join sa aking FB page, Teacher Bean, sa Facebook. So, ano ba yung last na tinatawag natin o learning activity sheets? So, dito binubuo ito ng mga iba't ibang activities na kanilang sasagutan upang matutunan yung lesson. So, ito ay binubuo ng iba't ibang bahagi upang matutunan nila kung ano ba yung ating lesson at matutunan nila kung ano ba yung ma-attain, kung ano ba yung mga competency na dapat nilang ma-achieve sa bawat lesson. So, ito makakatulong to para mas mapabuti yung kanilang pag-aaral sa bawat aralin. So, dito, ang learning activity sheets ay mas specific, unlike sa module. Dito, mas konti yung bahagi at madaling masasagutan ng mga bata. So, mahalaga na malaman natin yung mga bahagi na bumubuo sa learning activity sheets upang mas madali nating magawa ito at maging epektibo yung gagamitin natin para sa pagtuturo sa mga bata. At of course, makakatulong to sa upang malaman natin kung ano ba yung mga interest ng ating mga estudyante din at kung anong sang bahagi sila medyo nahihirapan na lesson. So, ito ay magiging epektibo rin na tools para ma-assess natin ang sa bawat subject o anumang lesson sila nagkakaroon ng problema. So, sa panahon ngayon, tulad ngayon, wala tayong face-to-face learning, mahalaga na makaprovide tayo ng alternative tulad nito na learning activity sheets para sa kanila upang mas magkaroon ng pagkatuto at still, nandun pa rin tayo sa ating goal na mag-provide ng quality education, makaprovide ng good and quality education sa bawat mag-aaral. So, these are the parts and sample of our learning activity sheets. So, the first part is let us know o alamin mo in Tagalog. This contains the introduction of the lesson. It may have picture about the lesson where questions may draw to start the discussion. So, pwede tayo magtanong sa panimula para tingnan natin kung ano ba yung kaalaman na meron sila regarding sa lesson na ngayon o background. It may also present how this material will help learners understand and learn. So this is an example for our let us know. This is for Science Grade 6, second quarter, about the nervous system. Next part is let us a review or pagbalik-aralan mo in Tagalog. This contain an activity or objective type of assessment to recall the previous lessons. Pwedeng 5 to 10 items will do. So dito, nagbabalik-aral tayo kung ano ba yung mga naging lesson nila nakaraan na maiugnay natin sa magiging lesson nila for this day. For the third part, we have let us study o pag-aralan mo. This presents the lesson proper and it may also have follow-up questions on how lesson is presented. This is our example. We have the parts of the brain where the idea is presented and merong follow-up questions sa baba kung makikita nyo. Next is let us practice o pagsanayan mo. This part gives time to practice the understanding of the learners based on the presentation made. So based dun sa presentation, dito magkakaroon sila ng first activity. So this is our example of let us practice. They will find and choose the 5 words about the parts of the nervous system. Napakadaling gawin at makikita kung ano ba yung mga ideas na natutunan nila sa lesson. Next is, let us remember or tandaan mo. This is the generalization part where the highlights of the lesson are presented. Important keys, process, terminologies are also shown in this part. Dito, nakabuod kung ano ba yung pinaka-idea na or objectives ng ating lesson. Dito natin makikita. So this is our example of let us remember about our lesson in nervous system for grade 6 second quarter. Next is let us appreciate or isapuso mo. This part is considered as the valuing part where learners will draw their own reasoning ability, which primarily in higher order thinking. It can be presented in a situational activity sa part na to. So this is another example for let us appreciate where they will write if the following statement is correct about nervous system and false if not. So yan, we have situational activity. Next, let us practice more or pagsanayan mo. It is an additional activities which aims to help master the learning competency. So additional activity siya para mas ma-master at matutunan nila yung learning competency na nakapaloob sa lesson. So this is our example for let us practice more a multiple choice questions. They will answer the following questions and choose the letter of the correct answer. It based again on the lesson or ideas or the learning competency, yung mga questions. And the last part, we have evaluation o pagtataya. This is the final assessment. Dito, masusubukan kung natutunan ba ng bata yung lesson at yung learning competency kung na-attain natin. At naging effective yung ginawa nating teaching strategies. So, for our evaluation, we have identify what is described on the following statement in column A and they will choose the letter of the correct answer in column B. So, ito po yung halimbawa ng ating evaluation assessment na ginawa for this lesson, na nervous system for grade 6 second quarter. So, sa paggawa nga ng learning activity sheets, lagi lahat natin i-consider, of course, yung level ng ating mga estudyante. At ano yung ating learning competency at paano nila ito mas matututunan na madaling paraan, ano ba yung mga different types of activities na kailangan nating i-provide na naaayon sa kanilang interest at level na magagawa nila ng madali, lalo na ngayon na wala nga tayong face-to-face learning na pwede makatulong sa kanila for their self-study na rin. So, hope teacher, nakatulong tong video na ito para malaman natin kung paano gumawa ng learning activity sheets. At sa paggawa natin nito, ano ba yung mga dapat nating i-consider para sa ating mga mag-aaral. At mas of course, ma-emphasize yung iba't ibang bahagi ng lesson. At ma-attain natin of course yung ating learning competency sa taon na to. So, kung may tanong kayo, pwede po tayo mag-comment sa ating comment section sa baba. At if nagustuhan po natin itong video na ito, you may click our like button. So, maraming salamat. Till next time, with Teacher Bean.